Your heart cannot be broken. Your heart is always whole. It's your stories that are broken. That is what one of my guides, one of my mentors, one of my teachers said to me when I was going through my heart-wrenching, terrible breakup earlier this year. She said, and I'm going, oh, I'm so heartbroken. She goes, your heart cannot be broken. It's not your heart that is broken. It is your story that is being broken. And even though in that moment it didn't bring me necessarily a whole lot of comfort from the pain I was feeling, I knew what she was saying was true, because it wasn't my heart. My heart is always whole. There was still all the love in my heart during the breakup that I had before the breakup. Like, my heart is whole and loving and complete. But the idea that my stories are being broken, I know exactly what she's talking about. It is so true. What was being broken were my ideas of what was going to happen in the future. What was being broken were my ideas about who I thought my partner was. What was being broken was who I thought I was. What was being broken was my unconscious participation in some codependency, in some turning a blind eye, in some not really looking at things deeply, because I was so attached to the story needing to be a certain way. I wanted this to be the lifelong, forever love story that we see in the movies, and I had built up an entire story and a dialogue, not only about myself, but about my partner, about our future, in every moment. And so when the breakup happened, in some ways it wasn't surprising when I really looked at things clearly and I removed the story and I understood my sadness, my heartbreak is coming from my attachment to how I thought it should be, what I thought it was, all the things I made up in my mind, not totally seeing everything clearly. So I'm not sure who needs to hear this today, but know that it's a really good thing to have your story broken. That way you can look and see things exactly as they are, and you can choose to be present with things how they are and move forward in a different way, and stop creating these stories that create pain and heartbreak. Not that you're not going to feel relational pain again, right? But it's not your heart that's broken. Your heart is always whole. It's your stories that are being broken. Sending you so much love today. Stay with yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.